Welcome back, and in our top business story, Emirates Airlines said it is not interested in buying stakes in other airlines, as it moved to dismiss speculation that it was trying to acquire a majority stake in Philippine Airlines. According to reports, Chinese-Filipino billionaire Lucio Tan had been approached by a group of unnamed investors to buy his 51% stake in PAL. The Dubai carrier was named in the reports, but it moved to dismiss the rumours, declaring it was not interested in buying a stake in any overseas airlines. In a statement quoted in a local daily, the airline said that it has no plans to acquire a stake in another airline, adding that they are busy focusing on the many aspects of our own growth. Emirates in April signed a partnership with Australia's Qantas, and Tim Clark, the president of the airline, said earlier this week that he would be interested in a partnership with Lufthansa if the German carrier was willing to enter into talks. Tamweel's profits rose sharply in the second quarter this year, but its mortgage book contracted to a 5-year low, ahead of an acquisition by Dubai Islamic Bank that will take the company private. The Dubai-based Islamic mortgage provider reported a net income for the second quarter of 26.1 million dirhams, up 40.4% from the corresponding period a year earlier. According to reports, earnings rose because of a lower share of profits paid to depositors and investors. The company's Islamic financing and investing assets fell 5.3% to 8.59 billion dirhams, the lowest level since the first quarter of 2008. Tamweel's shareholders this month approved delisting the company's shares from the Dubai financial market, after agreeing to let DIB buy the remaining 41.8% of its shares that the bank does not already own and take the company private. The National Bank of Abu Dhabi plans to raise €1 billion from European investors as the United Arab Emirates' largest lender expands. NBAD Paris, the French unit of the Abu Dhabi-based lender, this week started a 1-year certificate of deposit program in euros, British pounds, US dollars and Swiss francs to raise money from Eurozone companies and asset managers. NBAD, with $82 billion in assets, is among banks in the GCC moving abroad as small local populations limit growth opportunities. The bank this year appointed Alex Thursby, the former chief executive for international and institutional banking at Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, as chief executive, and said it plans to expand in Asia. The estimated room revenue in the GCC hotel sector for the year 2011 stands at $17.83 billion and is expected to reach $24.92 billion by 2016 at a compound annual growth rate of 6.93%. The figures were revealed in a recent report by Kuwait financial centre Markaz, and stated that the average occupancy rate for the GCC is estimated to be 68% for the year 2012 and expected to reach an average occupancy of 73% by 2016. The report analyses the hospitality industry's supply-demand dynamics, estimates the current and potential market size, discusses the various investment opportunities, while analysing the major players involved. It also discusses the key drivers of growth, identifies existing and emerging trends, and illustrates the challenges in the hospitality industry. The GCC is home to a high percentage of luxury hotels, and its pipeline is also dominated by many high-profile projects. As such, the average daily rent for the year 2012 is estimated at $204, which is on the higher side in comparison with other regions.